Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on the VIVO V50. Alright, so let's begin. So the process is really easy. I'm sure that all of you can handle it. So first thing you need to do is to simply open your WhatsApp. Once we are here, we need to tap on those dots in the top right corner. Now click on the settings, just like that. Now we need to scroll a little bit until we find the chats. Actually, we don't need to scroll. Now click on the chat backup, and now under the Google account, we need to select the account on which we want to actually store our backup. If you don't want that account, which is right in here in this bar, simply click on add account. If you want another one, in here, wait a little bit. In this bar right here, type your second email or phone number, and if you want to create a new one, click on right in here. Okay, it is crucial because in the future, when you want to restore your backup, you will need to be logged into the same account, which is right in here. Otherwise, you won't be able to restore. Okay, below we have the automatic backups. Currently, it's on the weekly, as you can see, but defaultly it will be set on off. I suggest you should pick the weekly mode, maybe the monthly, and that basically means that now when I have picked the weekly, the backup will be automatically made each week, and I don't need to do this manually, so it's pretty comfortable and convenient feature, and I suggest you should use that. Okay, so I'll leave it on the weekly mode, just like it is now. Now below we have also option to include the videos. It's enabled right in here, and below you can see how many megabytes will be backupped. And now on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on right in here you create a unique password that you will need to type in case if you want to restore your backup in the future. So if you choose to create that password, please don't forget it, otherwise you won't be able to restore your chats. Okay, and now once everything is selected, simply click on this green button, backup. Okay, now the process will start, so let's wait a little bit. Okay, it's done. As you can see, it didn't take much time because in my case I don't have that many messages. Above the backup button we can see the hour on which the last backup was made, and also below we have its size. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.